Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair, and are you ready for another bun style with fine thin hair? I've done two previous ones that you can take a look at. Please comment below what you'd like to see me do next. So let's get going with bun number 3. So I'm just going to add a little bit of back comb at the roots. I did this on my last video. It's less to create sort of like big hair and more just enough to just give the illusion of like more fullness there. So I'm just going to kind of go in just at the root, guys. You can kind of decide how much you want to do. Use a bit of dry shampoo if you need to, just to give a bit more hair. And I think I'm going to kind of go low with this bun, like as in over the ears low. I feel like you could do this for work or just sort of out and about. You could make it kind of bigger in a curlier version if you wanted to kind of do more occasion hair with this one. Let me know what you think, if that would be possible. Okay, so I've just kind of lifted everything at the root. So I'm going to decide after how much of this I want to leave out, but I'm just going to give myself options because I can easily pin some of this up at the end. Okay, so can you see how I'm just letting the hair kind of sweep over the ear there, like so, and again on this side. And I've gone for sort of like a deep parting, but you could definitely do this with the center parting as well. So I'm just using a little hair elastic for this one, and I'm just putting it in a low ponytail, and then I'm just going to make a little hole with my fingers and just flip that through. Like so. I'm then just going to go in and create a little bit of depth to this style. Don't like it to look too perfect, so you can kind of pull this area here, but also you can pull these side bits. Next, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of clay spray here. You could use dry shampoo or hairspray. I'm just going to spray this top part here. Then I'm going to get my comb and just start back combing this area. Okay, I'm then going to get this ponytail, pop in another little elastic here, and just make it easier to deal with now. So this is going to be our little bun. Don't worry if little bits pop out because we can easily pin those afterwards, okay? So I'm just going to kind of wrap this hair up and just kind of place it nice and low down there. Feel that little bit there, so I can tuck that in now. Now you're going to get a hairpin, and the way that we're going to sort of attach it in is we're going to go in here, but we're going to weave with it. So we're going to sort of catch the hair on the bun, but also the hair on the head. So I'm going to go in and just go back and forward with this pin, really making sure that I catch as much hair as possible. And I think from the front, I'm kind of liking the low do here. I think this side's fine, and this one's probably a little bit heavy for me. So don't worry if you feel like you've left a little bit too much out. You can just go in there and just pin that nice and low. So there you have it, guys. A cute little low do there. I'm going to spin back around. Woo. Okay. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Could you do this for work, or is it more kind of like an occasion style? I think you could sort of like maybe put a nice hair accessory in the back and make it more occasion. So as always, please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.